How am I supposed to choose just one of you to bring to dinner? You're all so cool.
Why does it have to be dinner? We get all the energy we need from our gems, and while our human constructs are capable of eating, I find it very uncomfortable.
I love eating. Feels weird.
Okay. Let's focus. Which of you would make the best and most nuclear mom? Garnet, you keep us safe by scaring off the bad guys, just like a mom would. But you're not the best conversationalist. Amethyst, you would be a super fun mom. Can moms be gross?
Why not?
Pearl, you're always worried about me, you teach me lots of stuff, you're approachable, and you're like totally not gross. But you can't eat dinner. Man, why did Connie have to say I have one mother instead of 0? Or 3?
We'll figure this thing out. We just have to put our heads together.
Why didn't I think of this before? It's so obvious. You can all come to dinner. All 3 of you. Fused into one.
What?
Whoa.
What?
Stephen, you know we only fuse in deadly situations.
It'd be like I'm actually bringing my whole family.
That's insane.
Fusion is serious magic, not a trick for dinner parties.
I know. Then I guess this is it. I'll never get to see Connie again. Oh, Connie, I'll never know a star that shines as bright as you.
We have no choice.
We've been waiting for nearly 20 minutes.
Hi, Connie. Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Maheshwaran.
Thanks, honey buns.
You're welcome, Greg.
I'm Greg Universe, and this massive drink of water is my wife, Alexandrite.
Hi.
I hope this place has unlimited breadsticks.
Don't be rude.
Isn't my wife a riot?
So tell me, how did you two meet?
Huh? How'd we meet? Well, we,
They met on a roller coaster. She was too tall to ride.
I remember it like it was yesterday. Right, honey? Sorry.
Have some more breadsticks, dear.
Are the crystal gems? We'll